Good morning, geographers. I am coming to you from Maryvale Park in Rockville, not far from my house, and it's a gorgeous morning. It's just started to get a little bit cloudy, but I'd prefer that than to full-on sun like yesterday. So before I head to work, I wanted to talk to you about eclipses. So many of you might remember 2 years ago today was the great solar eclipse that passed through the United States. And I noticed the map of the path of the eclipse went through my home state of Kansas. So of course, naturally, I booked a trip back there to see family and then to take a day and go up and experience this eclipse firsthand for myself. So I went with a dear friend and we headed up, but the weather was not the best. It got cloudy, but we were able to see the corona effect with the ring, and we experienced the other things that happened during the eclipse, like the streetlights came on, the temperature dropped about 10-15 degrees. We noticed a sunset on all the horizons kind of feeling. The bugs started chirping, the bugs that typically come out at night. So that was cool to experience that, and just being there with everybody looking up in wonder and in awe. Even though it was cloudy for most of it and it rained, right at the moment of that ring effect, the clouds parted and we were able to see it, and I'll never forget that image. So for those of you who are interested in eclipses, I would highly encourage you to start planning for the 2024 eclipse, which is also going to come through the United States. A slightly different part, but it's going through some of the same places that it went through before. So that's going to be a really cool experience, and I can't wait to do that. I will have my camera to be able to take a video and hopefully be able to share it with you. But it's really a magical thing. It doesn't happen that often. There was one this year in Chile. I was not able to make that, but hopefully in 2024 I will be there and the weather will be clear. So that's my thought for the day, and I will leave you with that. Have a great afternoon, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.